Ho ho ho, it's Christmas time! So sa araw nito ay napaka-special kasi ayan, ang Christmas party ng big family ng ating living Santa Claus na si Tita PB Love na gaganapin po dito sa Shakey's Banquet Abra. Hello mga kuya! So, ayan, mga ate. So, dumating na rin ang mga kasama natin. Naka-ready na, naka-display na ang mga Cuatro Marias. Expected na red and green ang kulay na gagamitin ng mga dadalo. So, ayan po si Ate Katie. Okay, Tita Milia, Ma'am Nora, and the rest. Ayan, ang friend ni Tita PB Love. Hello mga ate and kuya. Habang hinihintay natin na dumating lahat ang mga expected visitors, ay talagang nakatutok si Tita PB Love sa lahat ng mga bonggang-bonggang handa natin ngayong gabi dito sa Shakey's Banquet Abra. At before the program, naka-ready na rin ang ating Cuatro Marias, Batiday, Erna, Marjorie, and Miss Irene. At dito rin si Onyok Lakwachero, bumiyahe galing sa Manila. At andito ang mga bonggang-bonggang prizes and gifts. Sino kaya ang mga maswerteng mag-uwi ng mga prizes? Ayan, go lang. Yan, sa center din ay sineset yung lugar kung saan uupo ang lahat ng mga employees ng call center. Okay, abang-abang muna. Habang naghihintay tayo ay siguro chika muna. Okay. Ayan. With the girls and gays. Hello, the PB Love Angels, Bobby, Juliet, Uting, Tita Pinang, and kaway Miss Irene. Ayan, kaway din si Miss Batiday and the others. Hello, Kuya Onyok. So, ayan, mag-ready na kayong lahat dahil mag-start na ang ating bonggang-bonggang program at napakaraming sorpresang mangyayari sa gabing ito. Bilang mga regalo, kundi bonggang-bonggang prizes pa.
Okay, please settle now. Ready na kayo? Are you all excited? Yes, as we say, Christmas is the most wonderful time of the year. And ngayon is our first Christmas party na napakalaking family, of course. Dito tayo lahat sa malaking pamilya. Okay, I hope that you will enjoy the rest of the night and you will expect many expected moments. So as we start, please for a prayer muna, short prayer.
At sinimulan na ang programa sa pamagitan ng isang panalangin na pinangunahan ni Engineer Elmer Manzano, isa sa mga kababayan at kamag-anak na rin ni Tita PB Love. Kaya lahat ay taimtim na tumayo at nanalangin.
So please be seated. Okay, so before we start, as I said kanina, okay, nabalong magitang teralisan. Welcome again to our first Christmas program. Okay, so as I said kanina, this is our first na kompleto, napakalaking pamilya tayo. And everything is possible because of someone, person, na napakaliit pinulong sa atin, made the difference in the lives, not only all kariti tagapangal kan atupay ng parte ng Pilipinas na natin. Ladies and gentlemen, someone I call her our living Santa Claus in Pangal, no other than our very own Manang Carmi, or other known as the Bibila, for her Christmas message.
Okay, thank you so much for coming. I thank you all for coming. You are chosen to participate with us.
At pagkatapos niyang batiin lahat ang mga dumalong kamag-anak, kaibigan at mga bisita, sumunod naman ay pinakilala niya ang sinimulang call center at ang mga bagong empleyado nito. At ang call center na ito ay ang kauna-unahang call center dito sa Abra. And you know what? Ang mga bagong empleyado nito ay ang gagaling, matatalino at talentado pa sila.
Okay, so yan muna po dito, and then later on, so bilang anyway, ayan. Okay. Oh, yung mga seniors daw, we have attorney here, attorney Abdaco, mga seniors, Mr. Hindi nga, pwede ba mga PWD? Okay, so pila-pila lang, and yan. Okay, tumakdar kayo ako. Self-service ito. So, pila-pila. Then after that, susunod tayo. Ito na. Ano? Excited. Christmas tree. May green, may red, may
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, all the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on victor's ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing sleigh song tonight! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Hey, jingle bells, all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. All the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on victor's
Pila. Go girl. Go girl. Miss Irene. Oh. Saya-saya. Oh, pila lang. Boys and girls. What do you want? Oh, it's okay. No. Huh? Pa, ma'am. Doon na po ang table ko. Quatro Marias, kain lang. Sige, ano hinahanap mo? Kumaring Irene, ayan, kumain ka ng marami, Miss Erna, para tumaba ka.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Receive her King.
Kumating ang team ni Father.
And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing.
Hi, Father. Lovers in the dark. Ning imas day to chicken to ito. Ning imas. Ayan, sa gabing ito ay birthday din ni Pekeng Pibilab. Ayan, happy birthday po ate. Okay. Merry Christmas to all of you. Dito pa rin ang ating maestro nagsasabing, I will love you today, tomorrow, and forever.